अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So we have meticulously observed that we should just have but need not possess, because having is just physical, but possessing is mental. We also noticed that there are 4 essential factors which are responsible, or rather which can be employed effectively to cross over Maya. Kaha tarati sangam tyaktva. After Sangam Tattva, which was very effectively pointed out, we noticed another sutra which is most important for all of us. Yaha Mahanubhava Sevate. In Mahanubhava, we have seen 2 categories. Actually, the physical seva of Mahanubhava, and second, महान विचार जो हमारे हैं उनकी सेवा करना, मतलब उनको फॉलो करना. सेवा का मतलब फॉलो भी होता है, and follow without argument. So serving great people was one aspect of that. And I told you about the hotspot, that how we reach the entire world without any connection apparently. So never doubt, friends. Just keep on doing Mahanubhav Seva physically as well as following your higher thoughts. Everybody, every one of us gets the glimpses of higher thoughts, but the tamas pulls it down time and again. And after Deepavali, it is more tamas. I have heard people saying Shrama Parihar after Deepavali. How can, so was it a Shram? मैंने कई बार उदाहरण दिया है कि अच्छे शादी के मौके अच्छे, उसके बाद लोग थकान क्यों महसूस करते हैं? कोई भी जॉयफुल एक्टिविटी थकान नहीं देती है. आपने बोलना चाहिए वाह वाह वाह, 4-5 दिन बहन के यहाँ, भाई के यहाँ और किसी के यहाँ शादी उत्सव मनाने गए थे और आप तो ऐसा फ्रेश हुए, आज तक मुझे एक शख्स नहीं मिला ऐसा. श्रम परिहार शब्द का अर्थ मुझे आज तक नहीं समझा है. एग्जाम के बाद कोई भी एग्जाम हो, एमकॉम, बीकॉम, बीएससी, एमएससी, एमटेक, बीटेक, 12, लोग पिक्चर सिनेमा देखने के लिए भीड़ लगाते हैं उस दिन. आपने एहसान किया, एग्जाम दे के आए तो, अरे दम है तो एग्जाम के बीच में देखो. Festivity is a continuity. It's an eternal process. But for us, it's a compartment. Very often, it is after this strenuous work, it clearly indicates that examination was a burden for you. I have been quoting this during my school days, God's grace, college days. And now to my students also. That doesn't mean I tell them, don't say that I told them to see a movie. What I meant and what I still mean, भाऊबीज झाली की दुसरे 2 दिवस थंड. जो त्योहार आपको बर्डन होता है वो त्योहार होता ही नहीं है. नहीं सर, आपको क्या पता, इतने दिन से सब हम तैयारी कर रहे थे. तो व्हाट, सो व्हाट. और जीवन के उत्सव हमारे ऐसे ही खिसक जाते हैं. Same thing for 31st, which is a festival now. I'm sorry, which is more than a festival. It began in 80s when I was in Bombay. I remember it starts from 27 there with n number of decorations, including the spiritual bottles. And 31st तो पूछना ही नहीं है, it's a बेहोशी का दिन और रात. और उसके बाद hangover. So hangover is also a festival. So what I wanted to tell you, tamas pulls us down. In festivity, sattva should rise. So that after the so-called traditional festivals, we should be more energetic, enthusiastic, replenished, rejuvenated, restructured, reformulated. So friends, follow the great masters and follow your great thoughts if you have had the glimpses of these thoughts ever. And that is Ya Mahanubhava Sevati. The third point was Nirmamo Bhavati. I was telling you about the Tulsi Ramayana where, the Ram Gita part, where Bhagwan Ram was asked by Lakshmanji the questions, and the first question was, and I repeat, it was regarding Maya. And the same nature of Kastarati Maya. What is the nature of the Maya? Like that. So there we notice that ownership is a problem. When we say Nirmamo Bhavati, drop the ownership. I told you an exercise last week. I am unfortunately not taking the recap of what has been asked as a homework for all of us, including myself. Please don't separate. So student in me is questioned all through. Nirmamo Bhavati. Drop the doership. Drop the ownership. Why aren't we ready? I want to contemplate so that we can move forward to your Lokabandham Unmulayate and Vivikta Sthanam Sevate. We need to understand Nirmamo quite well. Why are we not dropping our ownership? If I come to your house and tell you, Madam, could you name your house in my name? I'm seriously asking. Just be careful what I am conversing now. Suppose I don't know how many members are present. If I ask each one of you, can you name your flat bungalow in my name? This is homework. Please tell me next time by sending a message, not by this thing. And please don't say yes. If you say yes, I will come to your house and then say don't lie. Fulfill your vada. Vada na tod, tu muh na mod. And if you say no, I'll be happy. At least you're honest. And then I'll ask you the second question, why? Then I'll get 3 answers. This is the exercise normally I do. Fortunately, we are not meeting with an interface, seeing each other with a 5 feet distance, and it might still increase now with the danger wave surging up in Pune also, followed by capital and other cities. Highly predicted by one and all. And you might say, sir, please, can we skip this Nirmamo Bhavati and go to the next point? No, there will be more problems there. Vivikta Sthanam, there will be more problems. That's why we are preparing ourselves. Now you might as well say, sir, are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Could anyone ask? See, right now, friends, because I do not possess anything at this point of time. But if by God's grace, which is still, right now also the grace is full, but in the colloquial sense I'm saying, and you test me, I will certainly say, complete the procedure. Because I am confident, even if the house is in your name, my proposed house, it can still be mine. Do we have that confidence in ourselves? What are we trying to save for? What are we trying to conserve for? Very poignant question, friends. I am directly hitting the nail in the coffin. Nirmama Bhavati cannot just be in thoughts. It's superficial. It is the readiness, like Raja Janaka. It is the readiness of great Khatvanga. But sir, he gave to his son. He did not give it to you or anybody else. But they were of that capacity. If somebody would have asked them the same question as I am asking you, they would have, without a second thought, their history, their characters, their charitra, their entire living shows that. And don't say I am going to the next point. I will seek the answer from all of you next time. Or maybe even publicly in the group. And then you can counter question me. Sir, why you? You will somehow earn your bread. Thank you for reposing confidence in me. This is my sweet assumption. We may as well donate it or put it in the name where they can probably never construct a house. I would simply say, let them ask. In the name of them, don't escape from my question. Nirmamo Bhavati. Friends, जिनके साथ, जिन महानुभावों के साथ अल्लाह ताला की रहमत से मुझे इंटरेक्शन करने का सौभाग्य मिला, उन्होंने कहा है सबसे डिफिकल्ट चीज ये है, निर्ममो भवति. आप विल भी लिखते हो और अपने वालों के नाम पे लिखते हो, आपको वहां सुकून मिलता है कि यार यहीं से जा रहा है, यहीं मिलने वाला है. Because it's difficult to drop ownership. I was giving you the example last time, I luckily remember it. that you, for even 3 days, if you go to a 5-star hotel or any even dharmashala even, or any dwelling, you say my room number is 303. But sir, otherwise how will people understand? This is not done. No, we don't agree with you. No, I never said you tell that it is hotel wala's room. But we really mean it, friends. At least for those 3 days, we feel like it's our room. It's our compartment. It's our washroom. The possessions there, it's my fridge, my triple bed, my lovely furniture over there. So despite the undercurrent, strong undercurrent that you're going to leave that even in 3 days, when we show that possessiveness, intentionally or unintentionally, how when we have supposedly a life of 100 glorious years for a human being, which is destined, irrespective of what is happening. But if you ask the general knowledge question, what is the average age of a human being, perfect human being, the age categorized to us is 100 years. You know that. As we have age for cats, dogs, and other animals. Irrespective of what is happening or what can happen because of the prabhava of Kali Yuga and whatever, the answer would remain the same, 100 years. So, when for 3 days the possessiveness is rampant, it is adroit, it is strong, it is stubborn. How much more thick it can be, and it is, when we have supposedly a promise of 100 good years. Please ponder, lest we plunder. But then, sir, what should we do? We are already not keeping well. We have n number of problems. Can we not live in our so-called heart structure with our hard-earned money? Live in our house? Who said no? Or who says no? But in the backdrop, get this constant feeling, a continuous stream that passes through it, but don't make a dwelling on it. This life is like a bridge. And it's not pessimistic way. It's not in a pessimistic way. The entire Shankara's philosophy, the entire Advaitic philosophy is a bubbling joy. It's a vibrant dynamism. You just can't say it, life is a passing bridge. Don't make a dwelling on it. No. Life is a bridge. Let's not make a dwelling on it. Come on. Can we say like that? Nirmamo bhavati. Friends, ownership is the wrong idea. It is so wrong. And as I discussed and as I told you with Mahanubha was telling me here and there, from the high order of their high consciousness, the most difficult part is Nirmamo bhavati. Today, with this background, so my question, don't think again that you will only answer my question as yes or no. And if it is yes, you know the consequences. The next hour, I'll go to ring your doorbell, and say, can I bring a vakil? No, sir, it was my wish. If you are a feminine cross-section, you say, it's not my husband's wish. Or if you are a masculine cross-section, you said, no, I said, it is my wish. I am Nirmamo. I can name my flat in your name. But when did I say my wife has also allowed to say, this is what we have been doing. I'll say, sir, that is within you and your counterpart. Friends, the lighter aspects apart, I will need an answer of this question. Yo vivikta sthanam sevate. And if it happens, we can probably embrace solitude. एकांत तभी संभव है जब लोकांत का अंत होता है। एकांत तभी संभव है जब संगम त्यजती हो गए। एकांत तभी संभव है जब महानुभावों की सेवा का अभ्यास हुआ है। एकांत तभी संभव है जब महान विचारों के जो हमें कभी भी झलक मिली है उसका हम पीछा करते रहेंगे। एकांत तभी संभव है जब हम निर्ममो रहेंगे। परीक्षा लेकर हो सकता है कि इस रूप में नारायण मिल जाए। सर ये लो सारे कागजात, देखो नारायण क्या कृपा करेंगे। बोलेंगे नहीं अभी रहने दो, आप ही रहो घर में, फिक्र मत करो, लेकिन ये घर अब मेरा है। विंचू म्हणती माझे घर, पाल म्हणती माझे घर। लहानपणी बचपन में मैंने सुना ये। इट्स गुड टू हैव नानीज, दादीज एंड because nowadays nannies and dadis I have personally seen telling, अरे यार can we have Amazon video Prime membership? I asked one of my students and he said, my nanny gave me this membership on my birthday. Shocking. I said, no, most of the time she only watches. Nothing wrong. New ways of enlightened living. But I am talking about those nannies and dadis, which I am very sure almost all of us have heard of this. Vinchu manati maze ghara. And you are talking about ownership and you ask, चिपकीली बोलेगी मेरा घर है, चूहे बोलेंगे मेरा घर है, और ऐसे ऐसे घर के स्थान वो देख लेंगे, आपको उनको निकालते निकालते परेशान हो जाए। So person friends who can spend time in solitude, he has probably got the little glimpses of Sangam Tyajati, Mahanubhav Sevate and Nirmamo Bhavati. And to remain in solitude for yourself, by yourself, within yourself is most powerful. So what are you talking about? How is it going to be powerful when we are not going to be touched by WhatsApp? We are not going to be contacted by our friends. We are neither going to invite anybody, nor anybody is going to invite us. Moreover, we are not also allowed to have speed of thoughts, quantum of thoughts, and the quality of thoughts to be controlled with special efforts. Even you cannot do japa and meditation. Sir? Something wrong, revolutionary. No. Silent sitting is not talking about any gadget. But sir, these are recommended. No. Silent sitting talks about just be silent. You're getting the glimpses now. You're also trying to remove sattva, because sattva is also a kind of resistance. Yes. Traigunyo, nistraigunyo bhavati. I think something will come in future. What I recollect maybe is not the topic of the day, but because we had gone through these stanzas, I remember the sutras rather, but now we are doing comprehensively. So I distinctly remember they were talking about going beyond the Trigunas, and Bhagavad Gita already talked about it. So a person who can spend time in solitude, friends, has probably transcended or achieved the Sangam Tattva and Mahanubha Seva and Nirmamo Bhavati stage. And when we observe this spiritual democracy, I think we are the most powerful, at least during that. Now, can we have an exercise? Not now, but as a part of homework. Apart from that Nirmamo Bhavati, I'm going to remind it, if not at least in the next class morning, and most probably the next class will be tomorrow or maybe on Saturday. Preferably I'll have it on Saturday, as some of the members have requested it, because earlier we had coined for Tuesdays and Saturdays. But I don't do it purposely. It so happens that most of the classes are now happening on Wednesdays. So as the luck or the God wishes. So I am proposing, apart from that question, we'll also have an exercise of, let us start observing silence for 5 minutes. Sir, itna hi se bas? Every day I have japa, meditation, Pothi Puran, traditional things, puja, archana, everything for more than... I am not talking about that. Even not meditation, no. If meditation is a process, no. We want to observe 5 minutes without any process, without any catalyst, without any instrument, without any gadget. Wherever you are, preferably the same time and same place, preferably, don't worry. It's not compulsion. For the better effect, as I told you for mudras, if you have specific time, specific this is, they have better effect. But that doesn't mean you cannot do mudra at any other time. Similarly, sir, we are already doing. What should I tell you? 40 minutes I sit silently, recollecting all my assets in my mind and what can happen in future or what has happened in the past. Thank you so much. And friends, try to be honest for these 5 minutes. I'm only talking about 300 seconds. Please give me the feedback either on personal WhatsApp or even in the group. After observing this for 7 days. कुछ नाही मतलब कुछ नाही. 5 मिनिटं बसायची वेळ झाली आणि तूप ओट्यावर ठेवलं असेल, गॅसवर जळू द्या. अरे बापरे सर, व्हेरी revolutionary. I think something, you are having a crisscross thought pattern. Yes, because you got that इच्छा that अभी 5 मिनिट बैठ जाते हैं. अब मग आता तुपाचा विचार नाही करायचा. जळला जळू द्या तिकडे, फक्त गॅस नका उघडा. कारण विवेके देह बुद्धी सोडून द्यावी, हे गडबड हो जाए. What I am trying to say, observe specifically and see what starts migrating you. Do not do anything. Let the thoughts come. But no japa, no meditation, no flower raising, no agarbatti. In the beginning, you will find this even 5 minutes very difficult. And consciously don't dream also. Because sir, you never mentioned that we can't dream. So we started dreaming about our new house at Undri Pisoli. Or at Chakand. Consciously try to suppress those thoughts initially. But sir, you only said, let the thoughts come and go. Yes, let the thoughts come and go also, I said. But you are allowing some thoughts to return. Of your choice. Mind is tricky. Friends, you will halt the moment of those thoughts, the movement of those thoughts, and you will halt that moment where your choice thoughts are just passing by. अगर श्रीमद् भागवतम के समुद्र मंथन का जीवन में अनुभव लेना है, तो जिस दिन कम से कम 20 मिनट, जिस दिन से रादर 20 मिनट का अभ्यास तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे. 20 मिनट ये नॉर्मल एक स्टैंडर्डाइज है. जनरली कहते हैं 15 से 20 मिनट प्रतिदिन. 1 घंटा once in a week and 24 घंटा once in 6 months. 24 घंटा में आप सो सकते हैं 8-10 घंटे. अरे वाह सर, वो दैट इज बेटर. वो तो हमारे वैसे ही थॉटलेस रहते. कहाँ थॉटलेस रहते, करवटे बदल रहे हैं. But even if somebody is blessed with, some are blessed with thoughtless sleeps for 10 hours, still 14 hours कैसे काटेंगे देखना. और कुछ नहीं करना है तो वो अभ्यास की बात हम बाद में करेंगे. Slowly you will start settling और समुद्र मंथन चालू हो जाएगा. Solitude will show, it will show us what we are. It will joyfully expose us en route that what we were trying to be or still are trying to be, but we are not. But sir, without observing solitude also, we not think that we know we are not, we are cheats. Oh no. How can we are devotees? Devotees of God. Anxious for Srimad Bhagavad Gita and all other wonderful thoughts and discourses. How can we be cheat? No. Halt the moment. Let that thought rise from within and not your intellectual comprehension about yourself. Intellectual comprehension is outside. It is not from the source. You are meeting Ganga at Kanpur. We are trying to reach Gangotri. And only the kind of solitude which we are talking about will show this up for us. Yes. And then see, कामधेनु कहां से आएगी. जितनी सारी बातें श्रीमद् भागवतम ने बताई है वो अपने आप हमारे लिए प्रस्तुत हो जाएगी. ये प्रॉमिस है. यो विविक्त स्थानम सेवते. After some time, you will start realizing the goodness around. You will be in a position of Dharmaraja seeing everything as good. आपका नजरिया बदलने लगेगा. आपके सोच के सितारे बदलने लगेंगे. And a stage comes where there is an upsurge of divinity from within. And the mind starts looking inwards. See, when you stop giving food to the mind, to the external sources, your mind starts looking inwards. And over here, the process of understanding starts. Over here, the process of self-unfoldment starts, which we have been talking about. And then, friends, our life is a new dimension. It throws people surrounding you would say you are changed. Don't react to it. Because the change would be swabhavik, would be natural. So even you will not feel like reacting to their reactions. You say, big deal. It's not my effort which has brought this change. It has happened. And then we will say, let understanding be the law, which I distinctly remember J. Krishnamurti used to say in his n number of lectures we are fortunate enough to physically attend those lectures. I heard it umpteen number of times, Jiddu mentioning about let understanding be the law. I now recollect. It was not intellectual appeal. It was not an intellectual appeal. It was his stage of life. Where he used to say, let understanding be the law. Friends, please start spending time with yourself. Initially, take appointment of your own self. It's very precious. Slowly, self will give you an appointment without request, without your request. Please notice the change. We will be what we are. Away from what we are trying to be and what we are not. So this promise of Vivikta Sthanam Sevate is only plausible if we are at least practicing a bit of Nirmamo Bhavati, Sangam Tyajati, and Yo Mahanubhavo Sevati. Without that, it is impossible. As if it's in the order, a kind of order, yes. Because how can you be Nirmamo Bhavati unless... So with the promise which we are giving to our own self, that right this moment onwards, we will be observing 5 minutes of total silence. I repeat, no special effort, no special process in the name of meditation, prayer, japa, spiritual reading, satsang. And let's see what we experience. Spirituality is not an expertise. It's an experience. I again remember once this embodiment and some other friends had an opportunity to directly interact with J. Krishnamurti. And what a rare occasion it was. I still treasured it and shall be treasuring all through. And in my anxiety and a load of scholarship, intellectuals as we were, not intelligent, I asked a question. I distinctly remember. What practice, what spiritual practice you observe? A typical question you will get it from all the corners, even today, friends. And people will be excited to answer this question. Oh, I do 2 hours meditation, 3 hours spiritual reading, 4 hours बचपन के संस्कार, starting from कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी to करचरण कृतम वा कायजम कर्मजम वा, प्लस शाम को 7 बजे दिया लगाते हैं. नानी ने बताया था, मम्मी भी लगाती है, मैं भी लगाती हूँ. अरे बाप रे, you will say, I understand. You are a person सदा सर्वदा सर्वत्र सर्वकालेषु सर्वत्र हरिचिंतनम. मेरा नमस्कार आपको. Still you have problems? I saw you grumbling n number of times. Friends, what we are, we show up. We need not tell others what we are. And I exposed myself through the galleries of my ignorance, through the galleries of my scholastic assumed abilities, from the galleries of my panditya, and hence it's a treasure for me. I asked him the question to a realized soul, what practice? Because at the juvenile age, we were only told that through practice we get this through. Abhyasa yoga kaunte. That is at a different level. And you know the answer which I got, rather we all got, we were 4 or 5 interacting with. It's an it made an indelible mark on my otherwise totally ignorant slate of, with a pseudo load of qualifications and whatnot and people's praise and this and that, all nonsense. The answer, he smiled, very warm smile. You must have also had, some of you, the opportunity to see him, or at least read, if not at least now go through the past of such great people. There is not a past, they are still living. The answer we got, let understanding be the law. Luckily, I am saying, foolish though we were, ignorant we got the meaning of this by God's grace. I understood that, I got defeated that time. Not only because I was asking a question to a realized soul, forget about realized or not realized, how do we know? And again, we can't go by hearsay that somebody said he was a realized soul. But the very absurdity of the question was, point number 1, which I gathered and I'm sharing with you, how does it matter? What process he was going through spiritually? I got a shock. From that day onwards, friends, trust me, some of my friends would remember, never did I ask anybody, what do you do? I'm talking about spiritual, this thing, not about which movie you saw or what you had. It's a better question, in fact, on the day of Lakshmi Pujan or Dashera. And their answer will be common from those 2-3 sweets. No. In fact, these questions are better than this question asking what sadhana you do. What a big word, sadhana. What you do. Here we're talking about doership, transcending doership. The foolishness of my question stood naked at the crossroads of my ignorance. Pathetic, as it were, as I was, I got the first message, how does it matter? And how did that matter to me that time? It is still a question. It is still an answer to me. How does it matter? And the second poignant message I received and I shared, enlightenment is not through a process. It is spontaneous. Yes, there can be some reason behind that. There is no consequence without a cause, as I told you. Consequence is a manifested cause, and cause is an unmanifested consequence. But the second answer, yes. Because then we are not attached to the process. Many times we are attached to the process, to our traditions, to our pujas, to our meditations, to our japas, and we make a big issue of the same. Last 30 years I am meditating. Somebody should dare and say, pathetic you are. We don't do that. कि हम किसी को hurt नहीं करते. Because we know then where we are. Despite doing 30 years meditation, it means either we were not meditating, or we are bluffing, or we were not working on our mind, or nothing has happened. So how can we then be able to say, let understanding be the law? It's a blossom fruit. परिपक्व फल है. श्रीमद् भागवत को पका हुआ फल कहते हैं. यहां भी लोग झगड़ा करते हैं, वेदांत श्रेष्ठ मांडुक्य उपनिषद श्रेष्ठ कि भागवतम श्रेष्ठ? पहले तो कंपैरिजन गलत है, आंसर देना है तो बोलना। भागवत ये पका हुआ फल है। आम का पेड़ पेड़ भी हो तो आम की मिठास उसके जड़ में नहीं होती है, आम की मिठास उसके ट्रंक में नहीं होती है, उसके पत्तों में नहीं होती है। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम फूल, पत्ता, ट्रंक, रूट्स सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इस आम को लाने के लिए। लेकिन ये परिपक्व फल जो है ये श्रीमद् भागवतम है। उसी प्रकार से लेट अंडरस्टैंडिंग बी द लॉ। ये कोई इंटेलेक्चुअली कहना और किसी ने रियलाइजेशन के साथ ये कहना, इसमें फर्क है, क्योंकि अभी वो किसी प्रोसेस से अटैच नहीं है, और प्रोसेस है भी तो सब्जेक्टिव है। हाउ डज इट मैटर? So friends, please embrace solitude the way we discuss, and then we shall rejoice in that stream of whatever we receive out of our solitude. We might have one extra general discussion without chaos, one by one. It's a good idea, point to be noted. A special 1 hour discussion, very sober discussion, and the mantra of the discussion part of the agenda would be let understanding be the law. And there will be a series of questions. Maybe somebody would note those questions, and we will, in the light of God's wisdom, understand the questions and the answers. Right? So who is asking is not important, who is answering is not important. समस्या महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, समाधान महत्वपूर्ण है। So we shift to the next sutras now. Yo lokabandham unmulayate. Every now and then, friends, we continue to feel unhappy. I have been telling you the parameters on which we should be really able to see our progress in spirituality for ourselves, by ourselves, within ourselves. How long can we continue to live like this? लोक काय म्हणतील, और लोकबंधन म्हणजे लोग क्या कहेंगे नहीं है, सिर्फ बहुत गहराई में हम जाने वाले। लेकिन शुरुआत जैसे हम हर बार करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ग्रॉस एंड देन वी मूव टू द सटल एंड द सटलर एंड द सटलेस्ट। लघुतर, लघुत्तम, सूक्ष्म, अति सूक्ष्म। लोकबंधम उन्मूलयते, उखाड़ दो। हमारे विदर्भ में ये बहुत यूज होता है, इधर उखाड़ दो, उखाड़ के फेंक दो। उन्मूलयते, इट्स लाइक, यस इट इज लाइक दैट। हम उखाड़ते नहीं है, जड़ रहती है, पत्ते काट देते हैं। पत्ते काटने के बाद में आपको पता है और बाहर आ जाती है। डोंट ट्रिम योर डिजायर्स, they shall soon form a garden of it and make a garden of it. सर स्नान हो रहा था, साबुन नहीं लगा रहे थे, आपने एक बार बोला सर बराबर है, हम ट्रिमिंग कर रहे थे डिजायर्स की, लेकिन डिजायर को उन्मूलयते नहीं किया, उखाड़ के नहीं फेंक दिया, इसलिए वो और बाहर आ जाइए। लोकबंधम उन्मूलयते। आज पूरा इसका डिस्कशन नहीं होगा, एक एक सूत्र इतना महान है, मैंने पहले ही कहा है, एक एक सूत्र अपने आप में, और आपको समझ रहा है, हम सबको समझ रहा है अभी कि किस तरह से नारद जी। और दोस्तों इसीलिए मैं कोई कुछ बात, जज्बाती बात अंत में करूंगा। जब मैंने किष्किंधा कांड लिखा हुआ तो ऐसा ही कुछ फैंसी नहीं है, मुझे उसका लॉजिक बाद में समझ में आया। ये तो फ्लैश था, मैं तुरंत शेयर करता हूं। एक तो सपने अपने मुझे कभी आते नहीं है, और कुछ ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है, लाइट दिखा और कुछ दिखा हो, लेकिन जब भी कोई हो सकता है प्रिडोमिनेंट थॉट, लेकिन मैं उसको इसलिए समझता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे मन में रामायण की ना कुछ बात थी, ना अभी कोई रामनवमी के दिन नजदीक है, न कोई स्पेशल भगवान राम की वर्शिप हमारे घर में होती है, न हमारे तरफ से होती है। क्षमा क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ ऐसे शब्द का उच्चारण करने में, लेकिन वास्तविकता जो है वो बोलनी चाहिए। उसके बावजूद ऐसा थॉट क्यों आया, ये थोड़ा अंत में मैं शेयर करूंगा। मुझे कुछ तो भी इसकी लिंक दिख रही है अभी। तो मैं चाणक्य जी को कोट करता हूं और उसके बाद में हम विश्राम लेंगे। आपको पता है तक्षशिला, शायद अभी मेरा इतना यहाँ मेरे बहुत मित्र उपस्थित है जिनका ज्योग्राफी हिस्ट्री का प्रगाढ़ ज्ञान है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से अभी वो अफगानिस्तान के बॉर्डर पे है तक्षशिला। मुझे माफ कर देना, ना मुझे आंसर देना सही है कि झूठ है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कहीं भी हो। इट वॉज द फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दिस। अभी लोग ये बात करते हैं आई एम फ्रॉम मिशिगन एंड आई एम फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड, अरे हंसी आती है भाई। एंड हु डजंट नो चाणक्य, and probably who doesn't know the story which I am going to tell you, but it is right away in my bosom and quite appropriate to this Unmulayate factor. Once they were walking, he was walking with the students and जो बुश एक काटा था उसमें उसके उनके पाँव में चुभ गया। मैंने बचपन में एक कहानी पढ़ी है, चाणक्य की किताब थी छोटी सी, और वो काटा तो निकाल दिया उन्होंने, और बाद में उन्होंने जितने उसके तुंड थे, जितना वो पूरा सरफेस पे दिख रहा था, पूरा काट के फेंक दिया। और फिर जब अपने विश्राम स्थान पर आए, उनके स्टूडेंट्स भी उनके पास में रहते थे, उन्होंने बोला, अभी वो कहानी में है, उस वक्त 2000 साल पहले क्या होगा उस वक्त क्या पता नहीं, लेकिन कहते हैं ऐसा कि उन्होंने शहद, हनी, किसी स्टूडेंट को बोला कि वो जरा लाना, और जहां से पूरा फेंक दिया था काट के, वो जमीन के पोर्शन में पूरा हनी डालना वहां। तो स्टूडेंट वहां के ऐसे आर्गुमेंट वाले स्टूडेंट्स नहीं थे, क्यों, व्हाट, आज जैसे आजकल सब पूछते हैं। They did it. After doing the act, they used to ask. Then they asked, and the answer he gave is the answer to all of us. उन्होंने कहा कि ये शहद पूरा रूट्स में मिल जाएगा, और फिर दूसरे कीड़े, एंड्स, उस शहद के लिए काट काट के उसको खत्म कर देंगे। स्टूडेंट्स चौंक गए कि कितनी सोच है। उन्होंने कहा शत्रु का विनाश पूर्णतः करना चाहिए। अगर काटा उस वक्त शत्रु है जो चूपता है, और जबकि वो कोई काम की वनस्पति नहीं थी। अब इसको आध्यात्मिक दृष्टि से मत बोलिए सर जीवो, ये तो जीव हानि हो गई। कई के आर्गुमेंट वाले, मैंने पहले कोशिश की थी ये सारी बातें मेरे स्टूडेंट से करने के बाद में मुझे समझ में आया कि मैं गलती कर रहा हूं। लेट देम गो थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ रियलाइजेशन, तो आदमी सीखता है। और जो उत्तर मिला वो हमारे लिए उत्तर है, उन्मूलय थे। ये जो तकलीफ हो रही है, हम जो ट्रिमिंग कर रहे हैं सिर्फ काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद मत्सर का, और वो और फैला के अपने पाव फैला रहे हैं, चादर से बाहर आ रहे हैं। और इसीलिए चाणक्य नीति जैसे कोई नीति नहीं है। और दोस्तों आपको बड़ा अजीब लगेगा, लेकिन चाहे एक भी फैक्टर हम उखाड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसको जरा समूळ नाश म्हणतो, मुळापासून उपटायचं है, हम लोग ये कोशिश करेंगे। और लोकबंधन के अलग अलग अर्थ में अगले बार इस पर प्रकाश डालने की कोशिश करूंगा। लेकिन एक कहानी आप जरूर याद रखिए कि उन्मूलयते, इसका मतलब every now and then we are getting the bouts of unhappiness despite our efforts and sadhana and this and that, because understanding is not the law, and that understanding is not the fruit of our realization. It can most probably be the intellectual thing. कई बार पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो बोलते हैं अपने बच्चों को जरा समझदारी से, लेकिन बच्चे के भी मन में आता कि पेरेंट्स भी सही में समझदार है कि नहीं, कि ओनली दे आर बायोलॉजिकली ग्रोन अप एंड दे हैव द राइट टू से सो एंड दे डोंट रिस्पॉन्ड. Children are mirrors, they don't respond because the shadow of your personality is not effective enough to make them understand. If a teenage gang would have attended this lecture, they would have at least got a very happier ending of the 1 hour session, saying that, see, sir is also saying the same thing. Yes, it's my observation. It's only because biologically we have gone ahead considering the life to be linear, which I never considered. It's a circular life. The effect is not there because we are not effective. We are not effective because understanding is not there. That inner understanding is not there because the self has not blossomed. And self has not blossomed because we have never embraced solitude in the light of Sangam Tajate, Mahanubhava Seva Bhavate, and Nirmamo Bhavate. With this, friends, it's very difficult these days to give a pause to Narad Bhakti Sutra. I don't know what's happening. But समय की अपनी नजाकत है और आप और हमें समय के चक्र में दूसरे भी कुछ अच्छे बंधन हैं, उसको स्वीकार करते हुए कुछ समय के लिए इसको विश्राम देते हैं. और नारद भक्ति सूत्र के बाद नारद जी और हनुमान जी जो हमारे साथ में है, उन्हीं के आशीर्वाद से हम किष्किंधा कांड, जो मेरे ख्याल से चौथा सोपान है, बहुत लोग यहाँ विद्वान हैं, मेरी रामायण पे इतनी गहराई पे अभ्यास नहीं है, लेकिन मैं अभ्यास पूर्वक आपके सामने आने की कोशिश करूंगा. और उसी दिन शाम को किसी विद्वान ने मुझे इत्तेफाक से बताया कि इट्स ए टॉपिक ऑफ रिसर्च. किष्किंधा कांड चौथा सोपान है जिसमें 9 संवाद है. और बाद में किसी ने मुझे कहा, इसलिए मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं, कि ये अगर समझा तो ज्ञान और भक्ति योग का एक नया आयाम खुल सकता है. और तब मुझे समझा कि आदेश किस तरह से हुआ. दैट इज व्हाई आई स्पेसिफिकली रिटन. आई डोंट नॉर्मली इमोशनलाइज द थिंग्स कि आई गॉट ए इनर वॉइस, I got a flash, nothing like that, but something that kind of I had written because it was out of nothing. As out of nothing, we started Narad Bhakti Sutra. And out of nothing, still we have a long way to go in Narad Bhakti Vedanta. But we are, so that if somebody of, or someone of us can really go through the Kiష్kinda Kaand in order to understand, I do not know how God will take us through, but we are going to do that. Chautha Sopan, Tulsi Ramayana, और बहुत बेहतरीन चीज़ है. मैंने प्रवचन पहले सुने हैं, लेकिन अब हम लोग आपस में वो सत्संग की बात करेंगे नारद भक्ति वेदांत. इसी के साथ नारद जी और हनुमान जी के आशीर्वचनों के साथ, क्योंकि ये वचन नारद जी के हैं, और उनके कृपा आशीर्वाद में तथा भगवान श्री कृष्ण की ये जो लीला है, उस लीला के साथ हम सब समाहित हैं, समर्पित भी हैं. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रतिमा जी. हम चलते हैं. प्रणाम.
थैंक यू सर.